So when you create a new form, the first thing that you see in the form is a form header. So you can go ahead and type in the header as you wish. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and type in TutorTube form right here, just like this. There's a subheader as well that you can type in. Let's say, for example, over here, what you can type is, let's say, for example, this form is for learning purposes right here. You can simply go ahead and type this in. So this is the heading and subheading, as you can see. And if you were to go to the properties right here, you can see the heading text. You can go ahead and change the heading text from over here as well. And you can change the subheading right here as well. So here are the different heading size. You can go ahead and change it out to small or large or set it to default right here. You can even work around with the text alignment and make it in center or right, as you can see right here. You can even go ahead and hide this field right here so it won't be seen in the form when you publish it. You can go ahead and enable and disable this out as well. And if you want to duplicate out the heading, you can simply go ahead and duplicate this out as well. And this is what you have. You can see that you can have two headings as well in different sections. You can go ahead and remove this out as well. But let me just go around over here onto the properties, and here you can even see heading image. So you can go ahead and choose a file. So you can enter a URL right here to enter, let's say, for example, an image right here. For example, let me just go ahead right here and paste out an image URL. You can go ahead and add this link right here, and you can see that you can simply add in an image right here in the heading as well. You can also go ahead and then add in an alternative text right here. For example, I'm going to say music in case the picture doesn't load, and you can go ahead and change the size of the image as well and keep it to top, right, or work around with the text alignment right here, just like this as well. So you can also go around over here onto the heading image, remove this out, and then let's say, for example, go to my images. If you have any images that you have uploaded, you'll see it here. Or you can go ahead and upload out an image right here as well. Or you can go ahead and click and drag it. And then you can see that you can simply go ahead and upload this out right here. Or you can go ahead and click on upload file. And then from over here, you can simply go ahead and select out an image, click on open to go ahead and upload it out just like this as well. So that is how you can simply go ahead and then work around with the form heading and its properties inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.